Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Shine, and on this channel, we explore YouTube to build your brand awareness without overwhelm. Knowing that you can't get views on your YouTube videos because there is a higher competition on YouTube and get more visits on your YouTube channel, all you have to do is cross-promote your YouTube video to your other social media channels. And if you're looking for a tutorial on how you can cross-promote your YouTube video to your Facebook, then this is the right video. And please do keep on watching. Why Facebook? Facebook is still a great platform for you on how you will promote your YouTube video. In fact, with nearly 2.5 billion active users on Facebook, it is still a hands down that Facebook is still the largest social media site in the world. You have a lot of friends on Facebook, so it might happen that they can able to know that you have a YouTube channel and they can be your potential subscribers. In Facebook, people love to consume information on visual formats. Basically, video is one of the best visual formats to deliver information. So we make sure that from YouTube video, we cut engaging part of it so that we can put it on Facebook, and with that, it drives traffic to our YouTube channel so that they can watch the full video of that YouTube video. Without further ado, I will take you on my screen so that you will able to know how I cross-promote that YouTube video to my Facebook page. So, let's dive in.
Hi everyone, we're on my screen right now, and as what you can see on my screen, we're on my Facebook page. Okay, so I know you're distracted with this one, but I will be working this out. Okay, our focus is I'm going to show you how I posted a clip of my YouTube video, an engaging part from my YouTube video, to post it here on my Facebook page. Okay. But before I'm going to show you how I posted a clip from my YouTube video, I'm going to show you how I transition of posting my YouTube video here from the start, okay, from beginning until I got to the point that I like the way how I posted it. As what you know that Facebook also have this creator studio. Okay, let's start on my first YouTube video that I posted here on Facebook. Because what you can see, this is just the YouTube thumbnail alone. No videos or no clips, just a photo. But absolutely, it worked fine. It reached 1,890 because some of my friends and some of my family and relatives are here on Facebook, and it's easy for me to share it. And absolutely, it's working fine. So, as what you can see here, since I'm just posting a photo of it, and you cannot see where is the link of the YouTube video. So you will just click this see more, so you can see here the link of the video. So I just realized that the part of the post is you cannot see the full description. So I tweaked it on my second video. So with my second video, I just make it more like this, as what you can see earlier. There's the part here that only can be seen on the post. So I just tweak it. Instead of putting the link of the YouTube video on the last part, I choose it to put it here on the second part or on the third part. As long as if I'm going to post something on Facebook, I make sure that it can be seen on the very first part of the post. But the graphics is more on a noisy thing, right? I'm getting biased here because I created this. I like it because I made it. Okay, so let's proceed to the third YouTube video. Okay, so my third YouTube video was this part is just like I'm also tweaking this part. Like I got to the point that this is really the best thing that I need to post, like the way I post my YouTube video here on Facebook. So as what you can see, like the third, you can only see here the part of it of the post on Facebook. You can just click here right away. If you're going to play
I'm
the
going to
video,
share to you 4 tips on how I create my YouTube thumbnail that is an eye-catching and engaging, so that those audience will click on my YouTube thumbnail in results to get views. I'm going to share to you 4.
And after seeing the video, they can just click the link above the video, and easy for them to just click it right away, right? Not clicking to see more, or people will absolutely read, but some people also might get okay, let's go right away to the video. So it's easy for them to click right away, right? So, and also it reached 1,345 and 10 shares. So I got a lot of friends on Facebook, okay? So it really worked well. And then the fourth video that I had is my YouTube growth strategy, okay? So check the description box. After this video, you can watch these videos on full video, okay? So as what you see, I'm still doing the way I posted here, like the link is on the second part or in the third part, or just the link can be seen on the post, not people will just click see more, okay?
So you make sure to have a quality content, a relevant content, a fresh content that will take over a long period of time. Make it also part of your YouTube strategy that while you sleep, your YouTube channel also grows. These videos don't run out.
So after watching the video, then they can absolutely click this one right away, okay? So it's easy for them to click that link because it's just right there. Let's go, and I'm going to show you how I post my YouTube video, okay? So let's go and dive in. So you can just click photo or video, and you can add photos or save it here. Okay. Here. And then you can click video options.
No, you're here.
Okay, you're hearing those voices. Okay, the video title, I just had my video title here. Okay. Just copy it out. And then for the tags, for the captions, you can just auto-generate the captions, or you can just upload a caption file, okay? So, but for this one, I'll just click on auto-generate captions, and then I change the thumbnail. It's just like you're uploading a video on YouTube, but this is the easiest way here. So you can choose from the video, and then you can just upload image or choose the suggested part of the video. So for this one, I had my YouTube thumbnail, so I make sure that it's more on like they have the familiarity of my YouTube thumbnail. So I just click upload image. Okay. So I got here just like that. Okay, save. It's like uploading a video on YouTube, like having a thumbnail, having a description, and also having the video. Okay. All right. So I'm done with my caption here. So as what you see, my link is just right here. It's totally fine. If I'm going to post it, then you can just, the link will just be seen on the post and not clicking the see more option for you to read and then got the full video link. Okay, it's nice also that they're going to click see more so that they can able to read what is the YouTube video all about, what they're going to get, and what are they going to expect. But knowing that you have already a video on it, then it's just easy for them to just have the choice to watch the full video or not, okay? And it's easy for them to just click it right away. And then after that is I'm not just going to post it right away because I have a schedule for uploading video, right? So for this one, the scheduled post. This will be, yes, Saturday. Let's have this one. And Saturday, 1 p.m. Okay, 1 p.m. and then save. Okay? And it's ready to schedule the post. So let's schedule the post. All right, so just easy, right? After that is I'm going from Facebook page, I'm going to share that post to my personal Facebook. Knowing that I got a lot of friends on Facebook and I'm still so lucky and thankful that I got a friends who's really believing on me and knowing that they keep on sharing my YouTube video. I'm still thankful. Thank you so much. You know who you are. I'm so grateful that I have you. Thank you. Thank you so much. And also for my family that keep on supporting me on what I'm doing right now. Thank you. Thank you so much. Knowing that this is a proven strategy because upon checking my YouTube analytics, more of the traffic sources are from external links. So that way I got the link and then post it on my Facebook. In that way, if you're going to post like a fresh video to Facebook, possible and a great chance that that post a video like a fresh video that you posted, not just sharing right away the link or the YouTube tags of the video of the YouTube video to your Facebook. So in that way, Facebook will be pushing your videos to a lot and wide audience to get reached to a wide audience here on Facebook. So as what you know, Facebook and YouTube is different platforms. So I'm going to put you back on my video.
So that's how I cross promote my YouTube video to my Facebook. Also, why I utilize my Facebook page so that I can cross promote the YouTube video to my Facebook, it is because I know that I have friends on Facebook that will absolutely support me. But even though they will not support me, they can able to know that I have a YouTube channel. I hope this video will help you a lot on how you can cross promote your YouTube video to your Facebook. Then please do like, comment any video suggestions that you want from me. And also, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button below so that you will be notified for my next uploaded videos. Take care always and see you in my next video. Bye!